This video will show you how to use Demographic Append for single-file purchases. With Demographic Append, you will need to choose what type of demographic data you want to add to your customer list. This data is contained to household-level matches only. You will have the option to append attributes from the following demographic categories. Basic demographic. These are attributes about individuals in a household, such as, are they a senior adult? What is their marital status? Are there children in the household? Etc. You can see more of the associated attributes by clicking the View Attributes link. Household, Financial, and Auto. This category covers home ownership, financial and income information, as well as makes and models of cars associated to a household. Lifestyle and interests. This category includes various types of interest-based information about a household, from gardening, cooking, and exercise to whether they enjoy camping or specific types of music. Again, you can see more of the associated attributes by clicking the View Attributes link. Political and donor. This category covers what kind of donations a household may give and what political party household occupants may belong to. As you choose filters, you will notice a few things at the top of the page change or update. Estimated attributes added gives you an estimate of how many attributes will be added to your list. Estimated category matches give you an estimate of how many matches you might have in your appended list. This is what we base the price of the appended list on. Estimated purchase price is the estimate of the final cost of the newly appended list. Depending on how many category matches you have, volume discounts may apply. There is always a minimum of $99 for smaller lists.